Hey Cubing Gang, Alfred here. This is going to be a breakdown of my 14 seconds OHPB single with pseudo-slotting. As always, the scramble is in the screen. In this solve, I did the yellow cross. The cross pieces are here, 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 and here. As we can see, this scramble has many blocks. We have this edge solved, we have this block, we have this block, and we have this build pair. I only focus on this build pair. I solved this block first. So as you can see, these three were already solved. D2, F to solve this green and yellow edge. While I'm solving the cross, I noticed that this pair was formed. I didn't insert this pair first because I planned I will solve this pair first. So I solve it into the back, and this pair is next. Then here, I noticed that this edge is solved and this corner is solved. So we can do pseudo-slotting. I do D to have this open slot and solve this pair like this. As you can see, they can go like that. Instead of doing wide U prime, I accidentally did a T prime and U prime. And I did OLL CP on this solve. For OH, this is my standard OLL algorithm for this case. I noticed that these two were matching and this is opposite. So I did this algorithm. And I got U-perm. This U-perm is slow for one-handed, but luckily I still got a PB. Based on my skills and standards, the TPS on this solve was pretty good. The solve has 48 moves, which means it has 3.35 TPS. Thank you guys for watching this video. Again, this is Alfred. Don't forget to join the Cubing Gang by subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell icon. Thanks for watching and see you all in the next video.